Good evening, viewers. Today we continue with our conversation looking at the impact of hair care on hair loss. Research shows that almost half of the women and over 80% of men suffer from significant hair loss at some point in their lives. For many, this can happen even before they reach middle age. The possible reasons for such hair losses are numerous, though the most common one is hair care. Today we are going to talk about hair care as it is something that is within our control. The way we treat our hair can result in unintentional hair loss. Tightly pulled back hairstyles like braiding, variants such as pigtails and cornrows can cause problems with hair follicles. Hair coloring, perming, or relaxing the hair can also cause damage and loss. Then how do we then prevent hair loss caused by these hairstyles? We need to avoid frequently wearing hairstyles that pull on your hair. Every once in a while, it is okay to wear hair tightly pulled back, but you may want to avoid doing it so often. You also need to loosen your hairstyle so it doesn't pull. And in order to reduce the constant pulling of your hair, you can do the following. You can loosen braids, especially around your hairline. You can also opt for thicker braids and locks, and keep braids or locks short because the longer hair is heavier and it pulls more. You should also wear your braids for no longer than 6 weeks. In order to prevent the weaves causing hair loss, it is recommended that you do the following. You try to wear them for short periods of time. Remove them immediately if they cause pain or irritate your scalp. Opt for sewn-in waves rather than the ones that use bonding glue. And also make sure that your cornrows are not always tight. Try to switch up your hairstyles regularly so your hair can recover from tight styles. For example, after wearing cornrows, you may want to wear loose braids or go natural for a few months. When it's possible, try to give your hair a break from all styling to allow it to recover from the stress. This can be done by adopting natural hairstyles or by temporarily protecting your hair with wigs or scarves. Change your hairstyles immediately if you notice any of the following problems. These are signs that your hairstyle or products could be causing hair loss. Pain from tightly pulled hair, stinging on your scalp, crust on your scalp. Try to look for early signs of hair loss. If you wear hairstyles that pull your hair tightly, take time every month to look for these early signs of hair loss. Try to look for breaking hairs around your forehead, receding hairline, also patches of hair loss where your hair is pulled tightly. When pulling continues, most people eventually notice that their hair stops growing. Where you once had hair, you will see shiny, bold skin, and alopecia advances to this stage. Your hair will find it very difficult to grow back. However, reaching such stage is no reason for despondency and despair. That is where CRISPR Body Solutions Goat Milk Seaweed Hair Fertilizer comes in as the ultimate solution to your absolute pain points. Thank you.